Understanding tribute in memoriam. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a meaningful and deep expression used in the English language, tribute in memoriam. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you comprehend the depth of certain expressions used in honoring someone's memory. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's significant. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, tribute and in memoriam. Tribute refers to an act, statement, or gift that is intended to show gratitude, respect, or admiration. It's a way of expressing honor towards someone or something. In memoriam is a Latin phrase that translates to in memory of. It signifies that something is done or created to remember someone who has passed away. When combined, tribute in memoriam means an act or expression made to honor and remember someone who has died. Tribute in memoriam holds a significant place in various cultures and contexts. It's a way for individuals or communities to commemorate the life and achievements of someone who has passed away, ensuring their memory lives on. This can be seen in memorial services where speeches or performances are dedicated to the deceased, commemorative artworks or plaques placed in public spaces, dedicated pieces of literature or music created in memory of someone. This phrase embodies the deep respect and love felt for the individual, serving as a bridge between their legacy and the living world. When you wish to express that something is done to honor someone's memory, you can use tribute in memoriam. Here are some examples. This poem is a tribute in memoriam to the poet's late mentor. The charity event is held as a tribute in memoriam for the founder. It's appropriate for solemn occasions, and using it correctly demonstrates both cultural sensitivity and a deep understanding of the English language. Tribute in memoriam is a powerful expression that ties the past to the present through the act of remembrance and honor. It's a testament to the impact one life can have on others and the ways in which we choose to remember those who are no longer with us. We hope this video has helped you understand and appreciate the depth and beauty of this phrase. Thank you for watching, and may you find meaningful ways to use tribute in memoriam in your own expressions of remembrance and honor.